Hello guys, how you doing? I hope you're doing fine. I am back with another video. So I'll be showing you how to create your very own channel for your Google account. So first of all, you'll need to create your Gmail account or Google account, which is Gmail. I'm not going to be showing how to do that in this video, but after you do that, you're going to sign into YouTube with your Google account, as YouTube is a Google platform. Then after you've logged in or signed in, you're going to see your logo of your Google account in the top right. If you click on that, you have a bunch of options here and the channel name at the top. So if you don't have a channel, it will say create channel, but I have a channel, so it's going to say your channel. So you're going to go to settings. It's going to open up here. You want to go into account and in the settings tab. Inside account, here you'll say your YouTube channel. Here's your channel's name, and here it says add or manage your channels. If you click on that, it will take you here. And now this is for 2020. There might be some updates later. So it says, so here's your Google account, channels for that account, and here's the option to create a new channel. It will show you your other channels. So here you want to click on create a new channel. If you click on that, you're going to name it. So here is going to create a new channel, create a brand account. So you're going to name your channel, which is the same thing as brand account name. So after you've done that, you're going to click on create. Back will take you back to the create a new channel and your previous channels. After that, it will take you to your homepage. Here you can see your channel name, your profile picture. You can edit the profile picture later. Here it will tell you the number of subscribers. I have 20 subscribers lately. Thank you everybody. 20 subscribers 9 minutes ago. So here, like home, you haven't uploaded a video, so you won't be seeing the other options here. You're gonna have two buttons here: customize channel and YouTube Studio. Customize channel, I've mentioned this in other videos. Customize channel will take you to this channel manager. You can add your channel art. You can see your different tabs here and your future channels. And yeah, that's how you should create your channel. In another video, I'll be teaching you how to create your channel art. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this channel. My next goal is to be 40 subscribers, and I will be uploading more videos. So stay tuned for them, and I'll see you next time.